The creator economy is going to hit $1 to $2 trillion within 2027. More creators are turning into build their personal brand. Founders are becoming the face of their company. Your brand is hiding behind a polished ad. You are now building long term. Look at KSI Logan Paul. They built Prime and now it's valued over $1 billion. Kim Kardashian makes her influence and make billion with skins. And there are many more people that leverage their personal brand and created the $1 billion industry. The future is not commercial, it's more personal, more emotion. Entering in the era where a story is greater than product, where trust is greater than features, where authenticity is much more better than polished ad. If you want to last, start building your personal brand.